Hi everyone, so for today's example we're going to go over how we can convert a string to a number. So let's say I have a variable of value 1 and that is equal to just a regular number 1, and then I'll have another var value 2 and that will be equal to a string of the number 1. So we can clearly see that this is how you set up a number, a regular number, but here this is actually of data type string, so they are different, and we want to see how we can convert this string into a number. So if we try to see what the type is, let's say for example we have a variable and we're not sure what type it is, so I'm just going to put this in comments here. So we can use this type of operator and it returns a string indicating the type of the operand's value. And if we have an example here like console.log, let's say type of, and then we put value 1, we want to see what the actual type is for value 1. And I save it. So I'm going to go to my terminal, new terminal, and here we could see here we got our terminal set up. And I'm just going to run node index.js, and you can see it is of type number, and that is correct because there's no quotations or anything, it's just the number 1. And now let's try testing out the other one, console.log type of, and then value 2. And let's run this now. So you can see the first one is a number, but the second one here is a string. So this is a number, and this is a string. So they are different, and we want to see how we can convert this string to a number. So what we could use is there's this thing called number, and it converts a string or other value to the number type. And let's replace value 2 with the actual number. So let's replace value 2 with the actual number and not a string of a number. So we'll use number with the capital N, and then we'll put value 2, and I will save that. And then I'll also do console.log type of, and now let's call value 2 again, and let's see if it has been updated, because here we use the number, the capital N for number, and then it's surrounding the value 2, so that should convert the string 1 into a number. So when we console log it, we should get a number type again. So here we get number from the first one, and then the second one, that's a string. And then when we go back to update value 2, you can see now we get a number.